Hi all, welcome back to our YouTube channel. This is Kevin Smith here from MI Solutions. We install, set up and support accounting software for clients. 90% of it is Xero based. So today I'm going to talk about Xero Reports. Now on Xero here you'll find reports under the accounting section. If you put in something that's in favorites, it'll automatically appear in those sections where you've got your balance sheet, profit and loss, and so on, things that you require on a regular basis. When you go into reports, then at the top of section here, you've got your favorite reports, so the ones that you use on a regular basis, and they're the ones that are starred, and they're the ones that also appear on the main menu here. And then you have all your other reports here: budget manager, budget summary, variances to do with financial performance. Then you've got executive summary, executive reports, and so on. You've got financial statements, balance sheets, profit and loss, and so on, and payments and reconciliation, and so on. Typical one here is the management report. The management report can be run at any particular point in time. And what it does for you is it gives you an amalgamation of a number of reports. So you'll see you have the reports here, and you can then select the reports that you can select different settings on those reports. Now, when you issue that out to a PDF, it'll give you this management report here. First of all, it'll give you an executive summary, cash summary, profit and loss, balance sheet, and so on. Here's the executive summary. Now, the executive summary has got a cash, it's got spend money, it's got the cash surplus, and so on. So you can see each month, February, January in this case, show on your opening and closing balance in the bank, your profitability, headline figures for each of those, your debtors and your creditors, income, average invoices, performance, and so on, and then debtors days. Then you've got your cash-based movements. This is cash-based, not on an invoice or an accrual basis, on actual physical money moving in and out of the business. So that will give you your sales, guess your expenses, including your VAT elements that might move, maybe some fixed assets you purchased, and give you your opening and closing situation in the banks. General profit and loss based on invoices and expenses and so on. You can see each month there, each month and year-to-date figures. And then your balance sheet, what you owe and what you are owed in relation to your debtors, creditors, banks, and so on. Age receivable gives you all the details of what customer owes you. And age payable gives you all the details of all the supplier data that owes you. Now you have a profit and loss report here, which is a standard, comes in as a standard profit and loss. But on the left-hand side here, you have a number of reports that relate to that, and you can put in variations and change them, and you can have different types of reports, and you can also do custom reports if you necessarily want them. Okay, everyone, hope you found that informative, and that you please subscribe to our channel, and if you wouldn't mind, please liking it there as well. So listen, thanks very much, and see you then again next week.